Yeah. That's it. Yep.
Hi, today we have a reusable canvas bag. It's great for grocery shopping, or if you have a day at the beach and want to carry some stuff for the kids. It's very durable, has a linen within to hold your stuff. It's nice and spacious, and even has a little zipper here to put stuff you want to hide, or if you want to put your phone, has little bags in there as well. Great for the environment, reusable like I said. And it has a little outside pocket here too in case you want to put some stuff in here. Everybody can see me.